Here we are on the little Orme in the county of Conwy, going up the steps to an area at the top which was at one time used for the Second World War. There's a history board as you get to the top with all the information about the wartime activities. So you can see there that the Coastal Artillery Practice Camp was here during 1941-1942. So what I'm going to do now is go and find somewhere suitable, and I'm going to launch my my drone off. Helipad, so we know that we're launching. That saves the drone from getting itself into trouble. Let's get this bad boy out. So I've got the Dji Mini, got a controller, and we've got the drone here. So just put the drone down and the controller down. So first thing you've got to do is put the joysticks on the drone. These are a little bit fiddly, but once they're in, they're fine. As you can see, I've got some behind me. Hopefully it's not causing too much trouble in the video. And then next thing, put out the phone on the controller, pulling out the cable, stick it in, sure the cable's attached correctly. Okay, don't think there's any given order for these things, but get my face on. That should be the controller launching. Normally it launches up the DJI Fly. So, take the battery, take the connection off, drop that into the bag, let's pull the arms around. So that's all the extensions done. Take off the gimbal cover, okay, and short press, long press to get the drone activated. Let's put that somewhere safe. They should talk to each other shortly, should get a signal. So what we're going to do, we're going to start the recording. Sync up everything as we go. I'm going to launch the drone, get a picture, and then we'll get this. Okay. Okay. Let's go fly. What's going on there? DJI. Let's go fly. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to launch off the screen. Take off permitted. There we go. And it should go up.
Take off.
And hover.
Home point
so I'm just
updated.
Take it back a little bit now. There we go. Good to go. Check my controls before we go anywhere. Make sure we're all alright. Want to check that we've got the map is right. We've got our home place and everything. There we go. So we're ready to go. Okay. So let's go fly. So as you can tell, this is the Great Orme in Orme Bay. Over in the distance, we've got Rhyl Abergele, Rhyl, Tywyn, Abergele, Llandillas, Clisfine, Old Colwyn Bay, Ross-on-Sea, and here we are in Penrhyn Bay. So I'm going to go and try out a new feature that I've not tried before, which is one of our quick shots. and it's a spiral. I've not done this one before. Make sure we're on 4K res. Just going to find myself. There we are. So I'm going to draw a box around myself, and we are going to go diameter 10 meters radius. There should be nothing in our way. We take the drone up a little bit further. Make sure we're away from any obstacles, and we're going to go spiral
3,
and start.
2, 1.
And there we are, we're spiraling around now, myself. I should generally be picking up height as it's spiraling around, getting the view across, clear of any obstacles, and it come back to its mate first. Returning now to where it was. Which was directly above me. So I'm just going to take the camera up. So we've got a pano. Let's have a take it up a little bit further. And you take it back a tiny so I can see where we are. And then we're going to go up. We go up and get a panoramic on it. So 19, 18, 23 metres up, 25 metres, still in sight. There we are, 42 metres, 50 metres, 40. We've got a bit of wind drift going on. So let's just change that down. Let's go to photo and let's do a video. And we'll just spin it round. Okay. Just nice slow on the controller and get a nice panoramic view of where we are. There's the Great Orme, Angel Bay, and there's coming back round to where we are. Okay, let's have a nice clear day, clear skies, and we've got something there in the distance, so we can zoom in on this, I think, if this is okay. There we go. Let's just move the drone. So what we got there is somebody on a canoe. Okay, so we'll return back to where we were, and it's come back down to me there. You can still see I'm over the landing pad. Oh, drone's up high. Let's do a pause the recording. Let's go to a quick shot and let's have a look. Boomerang, we've done helix. We're going to bring it down then. Okay, let's just bring the drone down. So it should be dropping down now. Take it this way a little bit, I think, because the last thing I want to do is right, okay, let's do a droney now. Droney. We're clear to go. Let's go 50 metres. Okay,
3, 2, 1.
2, 3. And there we go. You can see the drone going up. He's pulling away now. Gaining height as it goes away. Nothing, no obstacles. And when it gets to the end of that, it will come back. It's now returning to its original place. And that's returned. Let's take some photos. Take a pano, 180 pano. Let's start that. Let's put the camera up first. Take the drone up. And it'll drop back down now to where it was. Okay, so let's bring him down. Go wide angle. Let's take it up. And we're going to go up 50 metres. Okay, let's try another sniper shot now. Go for a sphere. Start. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some recording now. Record. So here we go, just going to spin my drone. Not ideal facing the sun, but just tilt it a little bit round that way, take it up. Now then. 82, 81.
Max altitude reached.
Over there you can see things. Right, okay. Let's return to home. Ah, no. I've lost that. Here he comes. Just had to move out the sun.
Home point updated.
Just get this line of sight.